Hello, welcome to my channel. I want to tell you a little bit about the shoes that I love, some of my must-haves, as I say all the time. There's a few brands that I'm completely addicted to, so stay tuned. I want to start off with my most favorite designer, Ted Baker. I am virtually hooked on these shoes, and I find that they're so beautiful. These are a patent leather, high top, and pointed toe. I tend to stick with the pointed toe shoes simply because I have thin legs and it seems to offer a great flare to my legs. And I feel that, okay, my legs are sexy, and not just skinny, sexy. But they're shapely also. I work out a lot. So these are great. And I also, once I get a new pair of shoes, generally I'll put some skid resistance on the bottom and kind of a pad in this on a cushion pad just to kind of help out, because I'm usually on my feet a lot. And when I wear these, they're gorgeous, they're sexy, but I need to be in them for at least 3 hours as my day is moving along. So another one by Ted Baker. These are so elegant with the Go stiletto, and of course I wear these for my most fashionable events. Generally, what I like to do with this particular pair is I'll wear it to an event with an all black dress. All you see are the shoes. It's beautiful. And of course I had to get them in blue. I hope you can see this is like a baby blue, sky blue. It's beautiful. And once again, the stiletto, fabulous. What more do you want in a shoe? Not a lot. These I probably got these maybe last summer, and I was like, oh my God, I gotta have them. And of course, look at the etching on the back. This is so beautiful and elegant. It's a satin finish. I love it. I get the most compliments from these shoes. People go crazy. Women love it. I wore it recently to an event I had to go to, and just so happens the dress was very similar. Quit it. It was nice, very, very nice. This here is more of definitely a black tie evening event. It's a nice velvet with the rhinestones. Yeah, I love it. I haven't worn these yet. I'm looking forward to it. This is another gold stiletto heel. It's phenomenal. I kid you not. I love it, love it, love it. And the shoes are very comfortable. I must have a comfortable shoe. I don't care how much it costs or how sexy it is. They must be comfortable. These shoes by Ted Baker, I could literally wear all night. And sometimes I have to, because I go to a formal event and we're standing up like the auto show or some big event where we're greeting some diplomats or something along those lines. And I kid you not, I'm in heels, and I'm not the type, I don't want to be in heels and just look good for 30 minutes. I want to stay in my heels the entire night if at all possible. Here's another one, Ted Baker. And I'll let you guys know when I switch designers, but right now I'm just focusing on Ted. Ted is awesome. I love him. I love him. So this bow, imagine this with a sexy black dress, forget about it. And what I tend to do, because I'm having to be in my shoes for quite some time, I will put the cushion at the bottom, and then I usually affix a little bit of a cushion around the back of the foot. So I'm in it, I'm good to go for the whole night. So I'm switching designers. This here is a Stuart Weitzman shoe. I found this, I think I was in London, and simply gorgeous. I was like, I gotta have it. I stuffed it in my luggage to get it back home. But how elegant is this? I love pointed toe, as I mentioned before, and most of the heels I wear are between 3 to 3.5 inches. Every now and then I'll sport a stiletto that's 4 inches, but it's got to be a good night. These here I bought this summer. I was in DC, and like I said, I'm addicted to Carolyn Herrera. I can't afford all of her things, but certain things I'm like, I'm getting this, I deserve it. These wedges, they got to be at least 4 inches or more. But they're so comfortable, and they're beautiful with like a summer white dress or an all black dress. And of course, if you live in California or Florida, you could wear these year round. Simply gorgeous. These here, okay, sexy as shit. Love these shoes. What I did, I put actually a taco, it's called taco, and it's a cushion that goes in because I wear these not that much, but I wear them enough that I really want to be comfortable. And the stiletto is phenomenal. I love the pointed toe. It's right up my alley. A nice sexy black dress or even a business suit, this sets it off. This here, believe it or not, I am not even getting into the controversy of everything, but these are Ivanka Trump shoes. Her shoes are very, very comfortable. I have probably 20 or more pair of her shoes. I love her shoes. I do support the fact that she makes good quality items, and they're all leather, and they're sexy as shit. They're gorgeous. So next, I'm switching designers, and these shoes are by Zara. I found out about Zara, I was living in Germany for a while. This must have been like 10 years ago or less. I think it was around that time they were coming out. I love Zara. They really stepped it up. I kid you not, these shoes, they could be Prada. I mean, they could be anybody, but they're Zara, and they're so affordable, very, very comfortable. And when they come out with any embroidered, especially like the satin look, I generally will purchase them. I love them. That's the first thing I look at when I go on their website. I'm like, okay, so what new shoes do they have out that I need to get a couple of pair? I think I'm going to LA soon, so I'll be able to pick some up. But in the meantime, please keep watching, and if you like what you see, please do a like for me and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And I appreciate all your support. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.